Bronchitis is characterized by the inflammation of the bronchial tubes. The bronchial tubes are the primary airways within the lungs. Inflammation causes the airways to become constricted. This narrowing makes breathing more difficult and labor. The inflammatory response is a key feature of bronchitis. Children possess narrower airways compared to adults. This anatomical difference makes them more vulnerable to airway inflammation. Even slight swelling can significantly obstruct airflow in children. Reduced airflow leads to more pronounced respiratory symptoms. Babies and young children are particularly susceptible to these effects. Common triggers for bronchitis include viral and bacterial infections. Environmental factors like pollution, smoke, and dust can also initiate bronchitis. These irritants cause inflammation and swelling of the bronchial tube. The inflammation leads to excess mucus production, worsening breathing difficulties. Bronchitis is characterized by a persistent cough. Wheezing is another common symptom of bronchitis. Bronchitis often leads to the production of thick mucus. Fatigue is frequently experienced by individuals with bronchitis. Fast or difficult breathing can also indicate bronchitis. Recognizing these symptoms is important for early diagnosis and treatment. Maintaining clean air at home is crucial for preventing bronchitis. Frequent hand washing minimizes the spread of viruses that can cause bronchitis. Prompt treatment of colds can prevent them from developing into bronchitis. Keeping babies warm without overheating helps maintain respiratory health and prevent bronchitis. Adequate hydration supports overall respiratory health and aids in bronchitis prevention. Bronchitis transmission can be minimized by avoiding crowded or polluted environments. This is especially important for individuals who are already experiencing symptoms of illness. Seeking early medical attention is crucial if breathing difficulties develop. Timely intervention can often prevent the onset of more severe complications. Prompt medical care is essential for managing bronchitis effectively. Taking these precautions can significantly reduce the risk of contracting or spreading bronchitis.